Let's kick it off first with the movers and shakers. Vivek has the lowdown. Over to you, Vivek.
Well, good afternoon. A very range-bound volatile trading session. Like you mentioned, broader into markets too saw quite a bit of volatility. But the sector of the day, like you've been highlighting throughout, has to be the metal pack. All of the metal names did quite well in the session today. JSW, steel, SAIL, all of them, despite muted set of results, did quite well in the session. All of them doing ending with gains of over 3%. Now, the next stock on the radar is Bharat Electronics. An outperformance across all of the key parameters, order inflow very strong, a lot of brokerage upgrades coming in, and Bharat Electronics was the one that did quite well in the session today. The next stock on the radar is Kalptaru Projects. Kalptaru Projects gained on the back of a very strong and big order that the company got from Aramco. This is something that the company had alluded to earlier, but this particular order win coming in with the quantum also being declared today is something that the street cheered. The next stock on the radar from the broader end of the markets was Rolex Springs. Very good set of results, very strong margin expansion. Stock ended at almost 14.5%. The other stock that declared its results in the market as today was Arvind Fashion. Very good set of numbers. Margins gained over 150 basis points on a year-on-year basis, and in the last hour saw a surge of over 4%. The other stock on the radar was Rategain. Both on a YOY, on a year-on-year basis, as well on a sequential basis, the company did quite well. Margins expanded, and the stock ended at almost 5%. But on the other hand, quite a few laggards as well. One stock you alluded to earlier was City Union Bank. Muted set of results. Stock ended lower by almost 5%. Welspun Enterprises. This was another stock, on a year-on-year basis, operationally looked weak. Stock ended lower by almost 6.5%. At one point, was down 9% during the session. Vascon Engineers, margins were very weak when you're comparing Q4 of this year versus Q4 of last year. Stock ended lower by 7%. And Global Health, that is Medanta, very weak set of numbers. One particular hospital much lower than what the street was anticipating. A downgrade coming in from Jefferies, and the stock ended lower by over 4%.
Okay, all right. Thanks for that, Vivek. Well, joining us on